Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create catnap on Dress to Impress. So you're going to color your skin all black and you're going to go here. I'm just going to use this color and I'll just use the colors that I saved here for the outfit. Then I'm also going to use this color that the same as well, and I'm going to use these gloves. And I might use the other one too. Like that. For the shoes, I'm thinking to just go with this one. And then I'm going to use this and I'll do the third toggle here and I'm going to color that the same. And I'll use these ears as well. Then you'll need VIP for this, unfortunately. And you need this mask, no feathers, and color it the same purple as the rest. Okay. Then you'll need to go to the masculine hair and you'll need to get, no, not this one. This one and color that the same. You don't need custom makeup for this, but I suggest you getting it because we'll need to use this one. Then we're going to get the tail here, color that purple. That's pretty much it. You can add like your own pizzazz to it. Then you're just going to want to go to the Halloween post pack and do the tall one. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.